How to manage favorite audios in Islamic audiobooks app. Favorites is a very good option when it comes to making all your most liked audios in one place. Just click on any file which you would like to make it as your favorite and click on the heart icon on the bottom left side of the audio player and it will be saved in your favorite list. This list can be accessed using the menu option and favorites. As you can see, we have one favorite file here. Let us make another favorite file from any other book. Going to Home and to Hadith, selecting a chapter and a file and making it as favorite by clicking on the heart icon. Let's go back to our list. And now you can see both your files are marked as favorites. In order to delete any of the audio files as favorite, just left swipe and click on the red icon.